achievers and dreamers. Today, we embark on a transformative voyage into the realm of goal setting, the guiding light on our journey to personal and professional success. Just as artists wield brushes to breathe life into their canvases, goals empower us to sculpt our dreams into reality. Join me as we unravel the secrets and strategies behind effective goal setting, igniting the flames of ambition within each of us. And before we set sail, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to support our journey together. A complete guide to goal setting. Goals are the lighthouses that guide us through the turbulent seas of life, illuminating our path toward personal and professional growth. Like an artist who uses brush strokes to bring a painting to life, goals aid us in rendering the grand masterpiece of our dreams into a tangible reality. They serve as critical stepping stones, bridging the vast chasm that often exists between our lofty aspirations and real-world achievements. Essentially, they give substance and structure to our dreams, providing a clear roadmap to navigate our journey to success. This is a resource that delves into the multifaceted universe of goal setting. Goal setting isn't just a contemporary concept. Instead, it's an age-old strategy with a proven track record of propelling individuals and organizations to remarkable heights of success. From the earliest civilizations that built architectural marvels to modern businesses that have disrupted entire industries, the strategic setting of goals has been instrumental in creating success stories throughout history. As you navigate through the transformative process of setting, pursuing, and achieving your goals, you embark on a journey of self-discovery, growth, and personal and professional fulfillment. Deciphering the psychology of goal setting. The foundation of goal setting rests on recognizing our ambitions and charting a course of action to realize them. Tracing back the annals of human history, goal setting has been a common thread binding the impressive achievements of ancient civilizations and the groundbreaking scientific discoveries of the contemporary world. To truly appreciate the power of goal setting, we need to delve into the psychology behind it. Setting goals connects us to our innermost desires, conferring a sense of direction and purpose that galvanizes us to forge ahead with renewed determination. The pivotal role of goal setting in success. The significance of goal setting cannot be overstated. It acts as a catalyst, amplifying motivation and enhancing self-confidence. It hones our focus, encourages effective time management, and bestows a gratifying sense of accomplishment. Several luminaries in influential organizations credit their towering success to well-crafted goals, reinforcing their role as indispensable drivers of achievement. Diversifying your goals for a balanced success. Goals take many shapes and forms. They can be segmented into short-term or long-term, personal or professional, and performance or outcome-oriented. Embracing a diverse spectrum of goals facilitates a well-rounded approach to self-improvement and success, ensuring that all facets of personal and professional growth are considered. Navigating goal setting with the SMART framework. The SMART framework presents a structured methodology for setting goals. Standing for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals bring clarity, trackability, feasibility, relevance, and a fixed time frame to your goals, making them more focused and attainable. Crafting effective goals. Creating practical goals involves a multi-stage process. Here is a list of ways to craft practical goals for personal and professional growth. Number 1. Identify your aspirations. The first step in crafting practical goals is understanding what you aspire to achieve. Reflect on your ambitions in all aspects of life, including your personal and professional growth. This step sets the stage for creating meaningful and impactful goals. Number 2. Define SMART goals. Now, transform these broad aspirations into SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound goals. This means your goals should be specific with clear outcomes, measurable to track progress, achievable with your resources and abilities, relevant to your overall life objectives, and time-bound with a clear deadline. Number 3. Document your goals. Write down each goal you have defined. Writing them down can remind you of your commitments and solidify your resolve to achieve them. Number 4. Create a detailed action plan. With your SMART goals defined and documented, it's time to develop a detailed action plan. This should include the steps you will take, the resources you will need, and any obstacles you might need to overcome. Number 5. Review your goals periodically. Goals aren't set in stone. They must be flexible to accommodate changes in your life or unexpected challenges. Make it a habit to review and adjust your goals periodically, ensuring they remain aligned with your current circumstances and aspirations. Number 6. Celebrate small victories. Every step you take toward your goal is progress worth celebrating. Recognizing and celebrating small wins along your journey boosts your motivation and fosters a positive mindset, which is crucial for long-term success in goal achievement. Overcoming challenges in the path to goal setting. Like any significant endeavor, goal setting poses its own challenges. These could range from setting unrealistic goals to fear of failure or waning commitment. Employing strategies such as breaking down grand goals into smaller, manageable tasks or nurturing a positive mindset can help steer through these obstacles effectively. Here are a few tips to help you overcome challenges. Number 1. Set realistic goals. One common challenge in goal setting is creating overly ambitious or unrealistic goals. To overcome this, ensure your goals are achievable and aligned with your resources and abilities. It's essential to balance challenging yourself and setting achievable targets. Number 2. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Fear of failure is a significant obstacle in goal setting. Instead of fearing failure, view it as an opportunity for growth and learning. Every setback can provide valuable insights to help you reassess your strategies and move forward more effectively. Number 3. Maintain your commitment. Waning commitment can derail your goal-setting efforts. To keep your commitment strong, remind yourself regularly of the reasons behind your goals and the benefits they will bring. Visualizing the results can be a powerful motivator. Number 4. Break down larger goals. If your goal seems too big or overwhelming, break it down into smaller, manageable tasks. This makes the process less daunting and allows you to track progress and celebrate small victories. Number 5. Cultivate a positive mindset. Maintaining a positive mindset is crucial for overcoming challenges in goal setting. Encourage yourself with positive affirmations. Surround yourself with positive influences, and remember to celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Number 6. Seek support when needed. If you're struggling with your goal-setting process, don't hesitate to seek help. This could be a mentor, a coach, or a supportive friend or family member. An external perspective can sometimes provide valuable insights and motivation to keep you moving forward. Conclusion. Goal setting is an integral component in the architecture of personal and professional success. It fills the void between aspiration and achievement, giving us a strong sense of purpose and motivation. With the insights and strategies shared in this guide, we strongly urge you to embark on your goal-setting journey. As our journey comes to a close, I hope you found inspiration and insight in our exploration of goal setting. Remember, the power to turn dreams into achievements lies within you. If you've enjoyed this voyage and want to continue exploring the seas of success with us, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, smash that like button, and share this video with fellow adventurers. Together, let's navigate the seas of success and chart a course to greatness. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep achieving. Fair winds and following seas, my friends.